When you want to create a clickable prototype from your design, you have to use this interaction panel. And right here at the top, you can see that you have this trigger. And trigger tap is basically what's going to trigger the action to happen between these two artboards in our case. Action is how that trigger is going to look like. So for example, we have the trigger tap. So when somebody taps on it, then we have action, which is the transition. So it will transition between these two artboards. Below that we have preserve scroll position. So for example, if this artboard contains a lot of these images, for example, it will preserve that scroll position for some of these elements. So just imagine you want to use this nav bar at the bottom to preserve scroll position. You can do that. So just imagine you can keep that to be pinned right here, and everything else is going to scroll. Destination, so we are going from here to here. So our destination is artboard feed 1, and you can see it right here. We have animation, and we can choose a number of different animations. So how this tap, transition, dissolve is going to look like. So we have animation of dissolve, so it's basically going to dissolve from one artboard to the next. Next we have easing, so how easy or hard we want that transition to look like. Right here we have ease out, which is basically it's going to ease out from this artboard to this artboard. And finally we have the duration, which is basically how long this is going to take. In the next video we're going to explore triggers and actions to see what different triggers do to different actions and how you can use them in your design work. So I'll see you there.